Good day. If you can't find it in the library, here's the second option. I downloaded it from the official site, and while everything looks fine, the file is absent. Yet it is absent. In other words, I added it after 6 minutes. No, that's all. That's a curious question. It came up, and I already commenced. I started to worry about what this is. The library from the official site is not there, and there is no file. Everything is there, and it appears that you need to perform a certain function, a defined function, light from the wheel. Let's check it out. You can see that all we have is marked white. The white ones are marked, and here it is.